going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackmon with Paramount Property Investments. Hey, I just wanted to drop in again on my last video I did. Let you guys know that for this particular property, I'm acting as the real estate agent who's listing this property for sale for the homeowner, and we were actually able to find the buyer the same day we put it on the market. I just wanted to let the surrounding neighbors know in this video, if you're watching this video and you know anybody in the Ellet subdivision of Akron, Ohio, this is actually a nice neighborhood that I would like to buy in. So if you have a property that's similar to this one, Cape Cod, 3-bed, 1-bath, or you know, a 2-story or a ranch, or pretty much any style home that has at least 3 bedrooms and at least 1,000 square feet, you know, preferably in this condition, but if it does need work, we'll definitely consider it. We do buy houses in any condition, but we found that we love the area of Ellet. So if you or anybody you know has a property they were thinking about selling at one point, definitely have them give me a call directly. My name is Tony. You can reach me at 330-685-2220. Or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com. We can definitely buy your property in as-is condition, no real estate commission fees, no closing costs or anything like that. And we can close quickly. So please give us a call. Talk to you later.